Good morning! Jake and I just had a fun evening at the Mill House. It is seriously the cutest place ever. So we're in Lander, Wyoming, and we're gonna be here for the rest of the morning. The Mill House is so cute. I just wanted to show you a few of the rooms. So this is the cottage suite, and it is so fun. It's awesome because each room is super unique and has its own vibe. So this used to be an old flour mill, and these doors were the original doors that used to be here, and the brick as well. So the owner, she did a lot of things with all of the natural things that were already in here, and then she also brought in a lot of things from local artisans in the area, which is really cool. But this area has a cute little outdoor patio that you can go sit out on. And then we'll show you another room just because this whole place is so fun and I can't get enough of it. This is the ranch house. And check this out. All the brick walls, but I mean, all the lighting, all the details are just amazing. But just little things like this, like adding a touch of wood at the bottom of the windowsill, it's just absolutely beautiful. And then this has a really cool shower in it too that you'll want to check out. How cool is this shower? And it's huge. It's really awesome. And then over here it has a little sitting area. And this sign she was telling us was actually on the building in the 70s. And so she cleaned it up and repaired it and put it up here, which is so cute. So it just has a nice touch, and this has a little kind of TV sitting area. But all the details are so cute. And then this also leads out to this little back patio.
Just finished signing the guest book. Goodbye, cute mill.
Not ready to say goodbye.
I know, we want to live here forever because it's beautiful.
Oh, it's so cute. And our bake shop for breakfast. We hear this is the place for coffee, muffins, all the goods. Super cute. Oh my, this all looks good. Oh my goodness, check out this breakfast. So this is the breakfast burrito. That just looks fabulous. And this is Matt's omelet with a side of potatoes and a hot cinnamon roll. And Jake got a root beer for breakfast. Good choice.
I know.
Cute, they have dog water. This town is just darling. Roughly 3 cats, 3 dogs. That's awesome. Currently in South Pass City, and Jake, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna pan for gold.
I'm so excited. This looks so cute. The Tibble's cabin, and this is so fun. They have it like the room would have looked. And it's pretty big. It goes quite far back, which I didn't expect. What books did you read?
A Little House on the Prairie and Cabin in the Woods. That's what it kind of feels like it would be like a bit living here.
Totally. The butcher shop during the 1900s, William Carr opened it, and it was known as the Lecky House after a local family who lived here in 1890s.
Look at all the meat.
Ooh, he had a tragic fate as he was gunned down during a quarrel with a sheep herder. Whoa.
Look at that stove.
We're now walking into the saloon. Oh, it's exciting. Ooh, I've always wondered about the piano man. That would be a fun job. How cute is this river? This is where you can pan for gold. You can see some people over there already at it. Smith Sherlock store. This is so cool. It's a store still. That is quite the bank. That is so cool.
Register.
That's quite the register. It's cute in here.
It's fun.
Fun toy. What? Oh my gosh, it's totally on. That's so cool.
It's on as in like there's fire inside it.
So cool. Just gotta make a phone call. I think I'm supposed to grab that and put it to my ear so I can hear.
But it says, and yeah, you hear that one and you talk into the other one.
Yeah. Fun toys. Check out this cute Smokey the Bear.
The only kind of gold mining that happened in Wyoming was here at South Pass. This is the most significant that happened. Started in 1868. A lot like California's gold rush, so it was surface gold that they were looking at, gold panning, sluice boxes, things like that.
Yeah.
Then it's 1870, 1872, that started to run out and they started to do underground mining. And since you guys are going to tag on the school trip, you'll see.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So get it in the water, pull it around with your fingers so that it's kind of washing that stuff off.
Yeah.
That's just sand and silt and junk. Pull it at a steeper angle so that it's actually washing it off. And you'll spin it.
Oh, I see some. Yeah.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
So
That's so cool.
that's good.
Wow.
Am I getting there? Or am I not going steep enough?
Yeah, steeper. Gotta do it steeper.
Lose it all.
Whoa, you got a lot. That's awesome.
That's so cool.
There's a ton in that one. Think I got the gold in it. We just met up with Joe and he was awesome and he showed us how to pan for gold.
Yep.
And it was so much fun. I kept like, it's interesting because when you're moving it around, like the dirt
and you're
around.
dumping the dirt out, you're like, wait, I'm dumping all the, there's probably gold I'm dumping out.
But it's not though, because when you're sifting it down, the gold weighs more than
so
the
it sinks
sand
to the
does,
bottom.
so it sinks. But it's really cool and look!
We got some gold.
gold. That was so fun. I'm so excited. We get to take a little piece of South Pass home with us.
Yeah, this is awesome.
It's pretty awesome. So now we're just gonna explore a little bit down in the area and then later we're gonna check out the actual mine. So originally when people had migrated here and started looking for gold, they started slowly just panning for gold, and then later it turned into an actual like working mine
and digging and
where it's underground. And yeah, so I'm excited to go see that too. Should be cool. This is a great area.
This place is so rad. So this building actually used to be the bank where they the miners could come in and trade their gold for money, and they actually got paid less than market value, and that's how the bank made money.
Pretty cool. But then it also goes into what was a card room where you could come and play and hang out after a long day's work. Check it out, there's an upstairs.
Wow, this is very narrow.
This is so cool. This is awesome. Hey Jake. Hi. So cool. I love the blue walls. I thought they were kids' rooms, they're not. What are they, Jake?
This is the hotel. The town hotel when you come into town.
The town hotel. I was way off. Jake, did you pick out a favorite room that you'd want to stay in?
I did.
You did? All right, you have to show us which one.
Would be this one right here.
This one?
Yep.
Why would you pick this room?
Because I like the gold and green.
We can't stop looking at our gold.
We
keep walking places and then we're like, all I want to do is
treasure. So we just learned that when the newlyweds, John and Linda, purchased this lot, they paid $1.
Is that crazy? And they built a house. $1 for this beautiful lot with great views. We're heading into the cave. This is where they would store their food and their liquor. Ooh, that's like the coolest door ever. Ooh. It's nice and cool down here. You can see why they stored everything here. This is the Carissa Mine that we're gonna go check out. Oh, and a raindrop just got on the lens. We're gonna go in. So cool.
Handle. You do this work. Wow.
We're gonna go check out the upstairs. This is so cool. Wow.
So they dump out the bad stuff down there, and then they bring it up here, the good stuff, and they wheel it out this way.
And then that goes to the
store, and this goes to that railroad track that was high above that we saw.
That's so cool. So we
That's so
found
cool.
out they're mining for quartz.
Yes, because gold is in the quartz.
That's where it would dump the bad stuff that you didn't want.
The good stuff goes across that way.
Is this so fun?
Yeah, this is awesome.
It's pretty cool. Tell us what you learned about the pull rope.
Oh, the different signals?
Yeah.
On the the person up here would be listening, and someone would buzz from down in the mine what level they were on and what they needed or what they were doing.
Yeah, pretty
It was
cool.
really awesome. We're going out.
These rocks are called gray wackies or schist. So this is the original entrance to the mine. Here's what the quartz looks like. Quartz would all come down here, and then it would go.
This is awesome. Wow. This is so cool.
So pieces of rock the size of a golf ball go in. They get a ride up to the top. They get dumped over the next wall, and it slides down the next bin into the main crushers down below. A scoop will plunge down into the pile of quartz in the box, scoop of quartz, scoop of water, and as the scoop goes vertical, the water pushes this into the ball mill. In that auger, in that screw, in front of that jet of water, put mercury and gold are best friends, but mercury is toxic. So this is where some of the processing happens, where the toxins, the poisons start coming in.
This is like what we did with the gold pans, but just on a giant scale. It's huge. This is where they would pour the gold into bars.
That'll be enough to buy.
That was so cool. What did you learn, Jake?
So much.
Yeah?
Yeah. Just about the different, I didn't know that gold was attracted to mercury. That was new.
Just came back down from the mine, and we had a lot of fun exploring that, and that's really cool. If you want to ever do a tour at the mine, you can go online and reserve a spot. But we just came back to the gift shop because I didn't get a chance to get anything yet. And if you know me in gift shops, I gotta be there. I got a Sacagawea kids book so I can learn about her, because I keep hearing a lot about her and I need to learn more.
We got a little magnet.
And we picked out a green gold pan because that's what we used.
And it has real gold in it.
And we also got a treat.
A pecan honeymoon, milk chocolate.
Yum. Now we're gonna go check out the gel. It's raining out here though, so time to bundle up. Here's the gel. We just crossed the bridge. We're in the gel house. Ooh, there's one open. Jake, go in it. It's so teeny.
I know, this sucks.
Would you be scared if I closed this door on
You're
you?
not allowed to.
Dang it. Well, we just finished our adventures at
South Pass City.
and it was so much fun. You seriously can spend hours here, and even though it's like dumping rain out right now, we still had so much fun. And
Check out what Kelsey got.
we also found this. It was $9.
And it's a rug, and it's specially made.
Yeah, and it was so cute. I was like, oh my gosh, we have to. I couldn't stop thinking about it, so we ran back into the shop.
Wyoming.
Yeah, I think I want to like hang it up on a wall. It can be used as a rug. It's a rug, but I might want to hang it. This is our last stop on our trip to Wyoming, so we're gonna head back home. Did you have fun?
Oh yeah, heck yeah, this is awesome.
We love Wyoming. We love it so much that we bought a flag to hang in our house.
Well, thanks for following along.
See ya! We gotta start driving!